During the 2000s, BMW provided their owners with a key that looks like this. If you experience the same problem as me, where the key no longer unlocks the car, then here's what you can try. First, put the key on a wireless toothbrush charger if you have one. This should charge the internal battery and tell you whether it's the remote itself, the charging in the car, or the battery. If you find it still isn't working, then here's what you need to change the battery. First, the key, a sharp blade to open the key, a soldering iron, a replacement battery, which is the VL2020, and some glue to seal up the key afterwards. To start, we need to open the key case, and this is the most time-consuming part. Using a craft knife, you need to cut down the seam of the fob. I found this was easiest by working on one place until I got through, and then you're able to insert the blade all the way through and push down. Just be careful whilst you're doing this to make sure you don't cut yourself, and I'll suggest using a board like I am. So with the key fob open, you can now see the circuit board inside and the rechargeable battery. It's secured to the board by these two solder points. Now if your battery doesn't have the contacts on it already, you can remove just the battery as shown, and then once you install the other one, you can just drop a tiny amount of solder to secure it again. But these batteries do normally come with the contacts already on them. So it's simply a case of reheating the solder that secures those contacts, and you'll see that the metal just pops out the other side. Now we can install the new battery. So line up the contacts with the holes through the circuit board, reheat the solder on both sides whilst applying pressure on the back, and the contacts will just slide through the solder and fasten into place. With the new battery now installed, it might be a good idea to test it, and then we can get back to putting it all back together. First, I'll suggest using the craft knife to scrape off any adhesive that was there before, and then refit the circuit board into the side that has the buttons, because there will be a couple of tabs that it needs to align with. Once you've done this, apply a generous amount of super glue all the way around the edge of the fob. Make sure that the two fob sides are completely lined up and then press together firmly. And then use something heavy, for example a coin jar in my case, to ensure that the glue hardens whilst the two sides are pressed together. And there we have it, one key battery replaced. This one lasted 18 years of use before it eventually needed replacing, so you shouldn't have to do this too often. As always, please like, comment and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.